Hello, my name is Carl Prosciutto. I'm the president of the Custom Group. Along with my brother and sister, we operate a second-generation run high-precision manufacturing facility here in Woburn, Massachusetts. It is a great honor for us to be part of Made in America and represent Massachusetts. My parents started Custom Machine in 1964 in a basement. Today, the machine shop has grown to a 65,000 square foot, multi-million-dollar operation employing over 65 highly skilled employees in advanced manufacturing. Our components and assembly span a wide variety of markets, which include the U.S. military and space programs, commercial aviation, medical devices and instrumentation, semiconductor, agriculture, and power generation. My father immigrated from Italy in 1957. He worked hard to achieve the American dream. Now we, the second generation, are taking his vision and passion forward with 21st century technologies to keep American manufacturing globally competitive. We continually invest in our future by advancing our employees with the latest technologies and training in our sister company, the Center for Manufacturing Technologies. CMT is a state licensed training center creating education opportunities and careers in advanced manufacturing. We believe our investment in training will pass along the skill sets necessary for the future of advanced manufacturing. Manufacturing is the cornerstone of any prosperous country's economy. We believe in utilizing American talent, resources, and freedoms to lead the world in advanced manufacturing and taking Made in America into the future. We at the Custom Group take pride in making America great again with precision manufacturing and are honored to be part of President Trump's initiative. Please check out our video of our facility on the attached post. Thank you very much.